Hello, are you using this?
No, you can take it.
Thank you very much, man.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I train every morning.
I just joined the gym.
Welcome to our sports club.
My name is Sam today.
Nice to meet you, Sam.
What is your name, friend?
My name is Max here.
You look very strong, Max.
I lift heavy weights daily.
Can you show me how?
Yes, I can help you.
That is very kind indeed.
Do you like to run?
Yes, I run very fast.
We can train together tomorrow.
What time do you train?
I am here at 7.
7 o'clock is perfect time.
I will wait right here.
I will bring my towel.
Drink lots of water today.
I have a big bottle.
Let us start the workout.
I am ready to sweat.
Push hard on this machine.
This is a good gym.
Did you watch the game?
Yes, it was very exciting.
Who is your favorite player?
The tall guy running fast.
He scored a great goal.
The crowd was very loud.
Do you play soccer too?
Yes, every weekend with friends.
Where do you play games?
We play at the park.
Can I join your team?
We always need new players.
I am a good runner.
You can play forward then.
What time is the game?
We start at noon sharp.
Should I bring a ball?
Yes, bring your leather ball.
Do we wear team colors?
Wear a white shirt, please.
I have a white shirt.
The park is near here.
I know the big park.
See you on Saturday noon.
I am excited to play.
It will be very fun.
We will win the game.
Yes, our team is strong.
Have a good day, Dan.
See you on the field.
Is this the photo club?
Yes, you are exactly right.
Can I join the group?
Everyone is welcome to join.
I am a beginner photographer.
We help all the beginners.
What camera do you use?
I use a big digital.
I only have my phone.
Phone cameras are great too.
What do we photograph today?
We are shooting old buildings.
The city has many buildings.
Yes, the architecture is beautiful.
Do we walk together now?
Yes, follow the main group.
Look at that tall tower.
The light is perfect there.
How do I focus this?
Tap the screen right here.
Oh, that looks very clear.
Now push the big button.
I took a great picture.
Show it to the group.
They all like my photo.
You have a good eye.
Thank you for teaching me.
Photography is a fun hobby.
I will come back next.
We meet every single week.
Do you have free time?
Yes, I finished my work.
Would you like some coffee?
I would love a cup.
There is a cafe nearby.
Is the coffee good there?
Yes, they roast their beans.
Do they have sweet cakes?
They bake fresh chocolate cake.
That sounds completely perfect now.
Let us walk over there.
It is a sunny afternoon.
I like the warm weather.
I sit outside very often.
Me too, looking at people.
Here is the corner cafe.
It looks very busy today.
I see an empty table.
Grab it before someone else.
I am sitting down now.
What kind of coffee today?
I will take dark espresso.
I will order 2 espressos.
And 2 pieces of cake.
I will pay for today.
You can pay next time.
That is a fair deal.
Our coffee is coming now.
Enjoy the hot, fresh drink.
Thank you for inviting me.
Did you see that movie?
Which movie are you talking?
The new action movie playing?
Yes, I saw it yesterday.
Was it a good film?
The special effects were amazing.
Did you like the story?
The story was quite simple.
Who was the main actor?
A very famous action star.
He is my favorite actor.
He drives very fast cars.
I love car chase scenes.
The final chase was great.
I want to watch it.
You should go tonight then.
Is it playing downtown now?
Yes, at the big cinema.
How long is the movie?
About 2 hours in total.
Do you like funny movies?
I prefer loud action movies.
We should go together sometime.
That is a great idea.
I will buy the popcorn.
I will buy the tickets.
We have a good plan.
Let us check the times.
I am checking my phone.
We can go on Friday.